Yo, 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 what's good? It's Chairman House of Barf. How's everybody feeling? I hope it's great. You know what I'm saying? Because you are amazing. You're beautiful. It's true. I saw your face in a crowded place. All right, so taking another step. I'm analyzing some of these older trades and I'm kind of seeing what the fuck did I do? So, as I was looking at JetBlue and I saw the price I got it at, I wouldn't have got it that high if I would have did more of analysis. But you live, you learn. All that matters is that you can fight another day. You know. So taking a look at Paramount, starting from the bottom. Starting from the bottom. That's what animals do when they eat you alive. God. All right. Starting from the bottom now, yeah. Could you imagine that? It's getting eaten alive by hyenas, starting with your butt. Gosh. It's like, can you just chew on my neck like a lion does? Like, nope, we can't. We like to start here. It's tender. It's like, yeah, okay, you ass. All right, Paramount. It's approximately 1:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, August 15th, 2023. How do you feel? Hope fantastic. Let's get it in. Let's do a little bit of analysis. Okay, currently trading, underlying instrument, currently trading around $15.36. Okay. Now, we got it at 16, approximately 04. $16.04. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at, one thing I noticed was the WWE is insane. Like I was comparing its peers already. That's how the WWE is just absolutely insane. So real quick with Paramount, its 52-week high is $27, and its 52-week low is $27.49. 52-week low is approximately about $13.80. So, currently trading at approximately $15.36. I'm going to take $27.49 and subtract $13.80. And what I'm trying to figure out is the fluctuation. That's $13.69. And I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly, but I'm trying to take it from... I take that number and I divide it by the low, which is 1380. Oh, see, that doesn't make sense. That's 100%. See, that doesn't even make sense. 1369 is approximately 99%. So essentially what that's saying is this could go to $30. This could go, I don't know, zero. That sounds insane. That sounds mad. But let's just keep going. I probably did this all incorrect. That's about 99%. Okay, so currently right now, the price is $15.38. It just went up a little bit. And I'm going to times that by 99%. Which is going to be like $15. $15.38 times 99% is about $15.22. So $15.38 plus $15.22 equals about $30.60. So I'm looking at the upside, saying it can go up to about $30.60. I'm probably doing this incorrectly. And then take $13.80 and times that by 99%, and that's $13.66. So take $13.80 and subtract $13.66, and we get $13.86. We get about 20 cents, which I very highly doubt that Paramount's going to go that low. That's like, I'm not doing this correctly. Let's try to do it by the higher number. Let's take $13.69, which is the 52-week high and the 52-week low, Here, let me see. Let's take 1369 and divide it by the high. What was that, 49? Okay, that's 50. That's 50%. Okay, that number just looks better to me. Like 100%, it could either go to 20 cents or it could go to 30. Like, let me look at the probability analysis, and if that's how they have it, then, that's just what it is. Some of the times it doesn't make sense to me. Okay, yeah, Paramount, they have it at 20 and like $11 by December 2023. So if I was to do the high, $13, that's 50%. Let's take a look at that. Let's do 27.49 times 50%. Okay. Times 27.49 equals 13.69. Okay, wow. It's not too far off. So 27.49. Let me make sure I do that again. 27.49 times approximately 50%, which is 13.74. Yeah, it's still about the same. 13.75. So you take. One sec. Okay, so 13.75 is approximately 50% of So I would take the current price. Maybe that's what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be taking the current price, 15.38, and maybe I'm supposed to times it by 50%. Let's see, 50%. What's 15? That's like $7 and some change. 15.38 times 50%, $7.69. And I'm gonna add that to 15.38. So I have 23.07, and then I'm going to go to 15.38 minus, what was it? Damn it. It's $7.69, something like that. And that's $7.69. Okay. For some reason, I just like those numbers better. They appear to make more sense to me. Even still, $23 is off the charts, and $7 is not on the charts. But what's the 50-50 by December? So I'm still not doing something correctly. I'm trying to figure out, like, what's the fluctuation in this? Because it's been changing. Here, let me see if I can figure out what I'm trying to say. Like, so the 52-week change is 43%. Okay, so so this can go, down to $7 or $23. So, where did I get it at? Where did we get it at? We got it at approximately $16.04. Okay, so what was the 50-50? The 50-50 by December 2023 is $14 and approximately 58 cents. So there's a small percentage, not a small percentage, there's a chance that this could drop down to about, there's a 50% chance that this could drop below $14. And what we want to do is be able to, position ourselves to be okay with that, for the next year or two or whatever. So there's a 50% chance it could be above that too, but we could also just miss out on our premiums. But let's go ahead and I'm going to try to put in a position to protect ourselves just in case it drops below like 14. So I'm going to go let's say when people get out of the house, like January 19th again. And this again is Paramount. People will probably be in the house October, November, December. So I'm going to January 2024. Let me make sure I got the right stock. Okay. And I'm going to try to get it at 15. See, they're kind of expensive. Okay, so I'm going to try to get a 15. I'm going to try to sell a contract, and they're selling for like $2.27. I'm kind of rushing right now because I think I have somebody who's possibly about to stop by. So then they got a below 17. Here, let me go to 15. I'm going to try to sell it for $2. I can collect pretty good premium on this. So I can collect about $2.27 on it. And I'm going to sell it cheaper than $2.27. I'll sell it at $2.26. Okay. Okay, people bought it. So what that's saying basically is that Paramount may go below $15 by January 2024. It's already struggling. It's down approximately 0.7%. I thought I traded at 2027, but I traded at $2.28. Now it's currently at $2.30. So people are going that it'll be above $14, and then people are betting that it'll be below. Now, we do have a long stock position, but again, this is to protect us. So the underlying stock, let's check the news. Analyst expectations. Where's my news at? Yeah, I'm trying to check out Paramount's news. Okay, analyst expectations for Paramount's future. Yeah, people got it between, what is that? $30, and they got it at that's like 7. Did I write that down? Yeah, by July 2024. Okay, so let me see. What are analyst ratings? Ratings come from analysts or specialists within the banking financial systems that report for 6 where I want to be able to. I wish I could read it off. These 14 analysts have an average price target of $20.14 versus the current price target of $15.37, implying an upside. Below is a summary of how the 14 analysts rated Paramount Global over the past 3 months. The greater the number of bullish ratings, the more positive analysts are on the stock, the greater number of bearish ratings. Okay, so so they're about even. They're all over the place. But there are a few who got it going below $15 by they got it going below they had it July going below 15. And then by January they got it going below 15. But they also got some other analysts. So let's see if there's any other news regarding Paramount. Citigroup cut the price of Paramount Global from $22 to $20. Citigroup analyst Jason Bezet maintained a buy rating. Paramount Global shares fell 0.9% to $14.80 in pre-market trading. Okay, so right now that January short call position is losing premium, approximately lost approximately about 1% of the premium. Means I'm assuming Paramount is going up right now. Let me take a look at it. Paramount, what is it doing right now? And I need to put in a limit order for that, just to say if this goes up to this price. So the price I do not want it to go up to was what? $17.28. What's the probability of it hitting $17.28? Let's just even see short term. Let's just say by next month. By next month, the probability analysis tool says there's a 72% chance. What was it again? $17 and what? $17.28. $17.28 by next month. We're $17.28 by next month. There's a 78% it'll be below it, but according to the probability analysis tool. So, for it to be between 13 and 15, below 13 is like let's go to February or January, what did I say? January 2024. There's a 45% chance that it'll be below $13 by January 19th, 2024. So we're just protecting ourselves. We're trying to make sure that right now the Paramount is down approximately 1%, and JetBlue's up approximately 1%. So we're just protecting ourselves against our trades. Now, what do I think? I think Paramount will eventually recover itself. You know, here. One second, I gotta get ready to go. I apologize. I didn't even get to put in my order of. I'm about to do just a trailing stop if it loses another 1%. So if it goes up to $2.30, again, I got it at $2.28. I'm about to just do like. Goodness, I'm kind of upset. Because like I'm doing this because I'm in a rush. Buy. We'll do a trailing stop. Percent. And I'll just say if it. See, I'm moving too fast. I'll just do 2%. If it does 2%, and what is? Let me try to do my math real quick. Or I get people pulling up. I got a couple people pull up, and then I got to get ready to get these flyers out. 800 times $2.28 times 2%, $36.18. I'm sorry, I'm just doing this math. So I'm taking the amount of contracts times it by the premium. Now the amount of contracts, you got to remember, you got to times it by 100. So I'm taking that total amount and I'm subtracting 2% because I'm about to put a trailing stop order in for 2%, just to see what I'm going to end up giving back. It looks like I'm going to be losing. I'm going to be giving about 40. I'm going to be giving the premium back plus another $40 approximately. So I'm going to be giving back. I'm trying to be careful with these numbers because I don't want to influence anybody. So if I bought it at $18, let's say I bought it at $100, I'm going to be giving back like $130. So that's what I want to pay attention to. But I'm going to go ahead and put this trailing stop order in at 2%. Let me see. And I'll just let it go market. It's saying if it goes up 2%. I'm trying to say if it goes down. Okay. It goes up 2%. I just want to make sure it doesn't mess up my. I don't want it to mess up my order. So I'm just going to wait till I get back and try to handle this correctly. I want to thank anybody and everybody who decided to stop by and kick it with your man Chan. I appreciate it. It's Chan Man House of Bars. Sorry, Chan Man House of Bars.